What's going on, guys? DJI is at it again. January 23rd, big announcement. But guess what? We already know what it is. Hang around, hit that subscribe button, and we'll be right back. What's going on, guys? Out here off the Dome Media Group. And if you like me, you got texts and emails and tweets and all kind of stuff today about the big announcement that DJI is making. Of course, they have the countdown going on the website right now, as you can see. However, it's already been leaked. We know what it is. It's the DJI Mavic Air. Most are saying, and as I look at it, I kind of agree. It looks like a cross, or like the Mavic Pro and the Spark got together and they had an offspring. Basically what it's looking like, the specs that we're seeing, is an integrated 32 megapixel camera mounted on a 3-way gimbal with a panorama mode shooting in 4K. I've seen rumors, I've been hearing 4K 60. There's also gesture control and obstacle avoidance sensors, folding arms, and a 21-minute flight time. The drone apparently comes in a stock red, white, and black. And of course, there'll probably be other colors available later. As usual, I'm excited to see what's going to happen because DJI they're trendsetters. They're always raising the bar for themselves. However, my question to you is, are you excited? Or are you just like, okay, DJI with another drone? Because they come out with them back to back to back to back. You know, I've seen some comments and talked to some people, and it's just about DJI basically kind of, you know, padding their pockets and so forth. But they're a business. This is what they're in business to do, is to make money and create, innovate, and make new projects. So what do you think? Are you excited about another small pocket-sized drone? Because I know I've talked to some people that have purchased, just got Mavic Pros, or just got Spark and so forth, and ready and just getting into them. And just when you're ready to get out there and the weather breaks and DJI comes out with another one that kind of changes the game or makes the one you just bought obsolete in one or two functions or features. So let me know your take, what your thoughts are on this, and let me know in the comment section below. That's all I have. I just wanted to check in with you guys to see if you heard, which I'm sure you have. So anyway, as always, subscribe, comment, like, follow, and share, but more importantly, fly safe. Peace.